Welcome to today's road test video, a 1970 Jaguar E-Type Series 2 Roadster that is absolutely exceptional in every respect. We're going to drive it and tell you all about it on the way. So it's a semi-cold start. It has got, it's a very cool, somewhat of a hot rod E-Type because it's got triple Webers and a 5-speed. We're going to warm it up and do our usual. It's well known to us because we have done all the restoration work. It's excellent in every respect. Sportier Motor steering wheel. We put some more heat insulation while going through the car and doing the entire interior over. It's a lovely Regency Red with biscuit interior. And goes really well. So I'm not sure how many people really understand these E-Types. To me, the Series 2, in my opinion, is the best driving of all of them. Of course, most people like the original 60s E-Types, Series 1, Series 1.5, which are the most iconic. And then some people love the later V12s, which are more muscle car-ish. Plenty of horsepower, air conditioning. I think the Series 2s, once again, are the best driving of the bunch in standard form, and even that much better with a few bespoke modifications such as the triple Webers and the 5-speed gearbox. Then there is a vintage but modern radio which we've installed. Well, we finally figured out how to use the retro sound radio, which is quite nice. Let's just have it say goodbye. Bye-bye. So it does have that lovely radio, and I highly recommend everyone to put their glasses on if they're going to tune it in. What else can we tell you other than it is fully serviced, everything is working. Try the obligatory horn thing. That is a faux horn button. The horn is on the signal stalk. It's a really nice Jag. Oh, look, and it stops exceptionally well.
With great brakes to match.
Yes. Temperatures, pressures are great. Again, they're one of my favorites. So I think it's a lot of E-Type for the money. I think I've said it, and I will say it in every video we have of any E-Type that has a 5-speed manual. It transforms the car. It just makes it exceptionally usable and that much more fun, in my opinion. Lovely power steering on these Series 2s. Really good power. We've known this car for quite some time. As you can see, does everything pretty well. So we're going to jettison Jason up here. Says something about wanting to light a cigar, because in the day these were called cigar lighters. Not cigarette lighter, it was a cigar lighter. So we're going to pull over here and see how that works. Here, we're going to light his...
oh, that sounds wonderful.
Yeah. Would you like to light this?
Oh, please.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful. Please. Oh, thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Okay, we're only kidding. We're only kidding.
It's electronic.
That's his vape. All right.
Just a little party trick.
Yeah, you know what it's like. We get a little bored from time to time. Okay. Get out of the car. Having just done our flybys, we're back on the curvaceous road on our way to the FFR, the Loving Farm Road. Okay, well, beautiful day. A little overcast. Car's doing everything it should be doing. On to the farm road. First, second as we normally do, third, fourth, fifth is kind of an overdrive, and the gearing first through fifth is absolutely exceptional. Back down to third, and if you want to get on it, it has an ample amount of horsepower. So I think that probably tells the story. It's just an all-around excellent E-Type that's had a lot of money poured into it for restoration and drivability and basically just enjoyment. So I hope you've enjoyed today's road test of this wonderful Series 2 E-Type. It is really an exceptional car. It's had long-term ownerships. The condition is outstanding, and it's turnkey, ready for immediate use and enjoyment. So thank you for watching.